All right. Before this recording started, you were saying page 1, row 1, cube 1?
Yeah.
All right. Your little finger didn't do a good job last time. Let's see if it's in mine.
Yeah. I lost my magic touch.
Oh. Well, yesterday was a single cube opening. It was one and done, as they say.
One and done.
Okay. Come on, baby.
Will you take the magic touch?
I'm feeling good about this one.
Are you a magic touch thief?
No, I'm not. All right, we are adding to our collection of Mickeys. We've got a lot of mice.
Yep, and I am also toothless, Mickey.
That's right. What does that have to do with anything?
I don't know.
All right, not so. I said I was feeling good, but all right.
No, you were not.
Trying again.